right. Me, I had to try practice my shocky skills. I don't know why I don't sabi dance shocky.
We the wine. This one I'm whining. Shocky na like this. Shocky. If you be match dance and for
like
you.
Where una come from? Why una go dey try dance?
See this
Okay, you can dance it. Please teach me.
I don't do shocky.
Please teach me
I
how to
don't
dance.
do that kind dance.
Okay, which one you do?
All those small
The lady in
soft
red.
dance, the lady in red dance, all those kind dance. No be all this. What be that? We
What
kind
be the lady in red
dance with that?
What be the lady in red?
You know, soft.
What be
movement.
the
Just
lady in
movement
red
from
dance?
left to right, wherever you go, just dey move.
Now, Etige should talk about if you don't know. Etige move to the left, to the right. Oh, second.
I give up.
Etige talk about, you're serious.
Anyway, back to we same people where they out there because I don't understand Amaka today. Now, welcome to Talk Talk. Here's your Talk Talk ladies. We have come and sit down once more. Yes, once again to totally you not be small. Hope say you don't sit down. Hope say you not get intention to change your TV at all. Hope say you don't buy fuels for inside your generator because we understand say that is the predicament of our nation. So we just have to deal with it. But make sure say your generator day intact when 2 o'clock knock for Talk Talk because then we know they tell you at all. So then actually our real life issues day. We go talk about one correct story then. You know, say every Tuesday we always tell people where they out there, say, if you get anything where they bother you, where you need the Talk ladies to chook their mouth inside, you did very, very free for you to send us email. Now our email go to scroll for your screen, TV screen, or you can contact us through our Facebook page, where we Talk dash Wazobia TV, or even Twitter, we did there at Talk Wazobia. Tell us anything where they propose you, where they go through, and we go actually chook mouth inside. Not be only us go talk.
At all.
Everybody go chook mouth inside.
Because people with America,
they watch
Canada, China, Europe, name Zanzibar, everybody.
And the 36 states for Nigeria.
36 states for Nigeria. You can imagine. You can imagine how many people go put mouth inside your story. To take solve them. And we're proud of them.
Yes,
and definitely you must get one very tangible answer where you say go look and say
yes. Out of 10 people, Mo go say 10 people.
One person must talk something where go sweet you.
I tell you, because they say a problem shared is a problem solved. Because you don't actually know who they actually hear that problem. So make sure you send us message of anything where they bother you at all. Send us message. Enter our email address, talktalk@wazobiatv.tv, or you enter our Facebook, Talk Wazobia TV, or Twitter @TalkTalkWazobia. Okay, my name now Ubi Ehigamuswe, and the ladies there, even though say Betiana's today for America, because we say yesterday. The Clinton, Hillary Clinton, say me she stay behind
for dinner.
For
dinner, yes.
So she go do selfies and all those.
Then Obama come talk say, okay, after the dinner yesterday, this morning, you get one meeting before you go meet with Betiana.
Yes, true.
So after the meeting, my girl is going big, and I identify with you.
Yeah.
Talk the talk.
We're very proud.
I'm proud for her.
Yes, we're proud for her. So the other ladies, them, the intelligent, beautiful, wonderful, spluffic, beautiful, name it, all in one ladies going to talk about this. People need to understand, say we are beautiful and we get brain here.
Yes. Amaka, drop him.
Okay, bask in the euphoria of being beautiful, please.
If I don't do like that, she not praise me tomorrow.
Oh, okay.
So exactly, me I do. Tomorrow she go remember say she never praise us. Okay. She'll come praise me. My name still remain Amaka Okudiafo. You know they change. And today another beautiful Tuesday. In fact, the story we won't give you today, it touched me enter my bone marrow. I know say good touch you too. So make una give us your own story too. May we fit, give the public and
I tell you
talk about different things.
I never see where police they find trouble. Anyway, we'll deal with you in our own spare time.
Yeah, so what's in the worry you on top of real life issues today? We they talk about the things where they torture people for chest, they make her heavy, they know they feel sleep for nights. We they talk about waiting they give you headache. We they talk about that thing where you they always think about, you go say, oh, not again. On top of this show where we talk today, we shall talk about it. This one a court to talk about that thing where they worry you. Now, dear, my own name still remain Queen B.
Abalo. You gonna wait there to call that Abalo.
When you go grow, when you go grow out of them.
That them grow come out from Abalo.
All right, for us to start off today, where be our real life issues day, we get one confirmed letter from our viewer.
Yes, we get this letter. When I see this letter, actually, I had to call the attention of Oya. I say, sisterly, we get this one, and we really need to talk about them. All right, so what's happened for these people, their life? They say they won't remain anonymous. They don't want me to call because the woman say her husband they work for place where people go know him, so no need to call the man name. And we respect your privacy anyhow where you want to. She talks say, dear talk ladies, I beg, I want me to chook mouth on top of this one. That's how you get mouth, and we are talking.
We are talking.
She said, my husband don't they addicted to social media, and she say, especially Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram things. The thing don't affect our relationship. So take for house, if I want follow and talk, I got to repeat the thing like 3 times or 4 times before you go eventually answer me. That one say answer, no me say you go do the thing, or yes, it just be say he try to listen. She said, but the one where they pay me pass, now our 3-year-old daughter, when she dey cry, say daddy play with me. She dey try to see whether you go try to help the girl do 1 or 2 things, play with the what's it that they call her toys, arrange the things like all those where you go build cars and everything. So, but the guy no go give the girl attention. She said the thing they really pay her. She don't try to talk to her and say, see, this thing what you they do. Fine, I understand, say me be adult, I go fit deal with them. But our daughter, this one a small Pikin, she no go understand her. Try to give this girl small attention, but she said, you know the worst. Talk ladies, when I know the was said the man they tweet for everywhere. He did Instagram for even for church when pastor they preach. Now she said I don't already give up and I don't already leave them to those in faceless friends where they important pass we will be in family. So I don't leave them. Now I don't face to give our baby, our 3-year-old daughter, all the attention where you know if he give her. So me they give her all the attention so that peace go there for the house.
Wow. She's actually in a critical situation because I understand, say, social media, they're there for us to interact with people we will never see for a very long time. But when person come turn out to everyday business, everyday food and everything, hey, then problem don't they? When you don't become an addict, especially as a married man.
Married man, father.
But I wish that she did here. I would like to ask her one particular question.
Okay.
If they do social media before una marry?
Big question.
Number 2, which kind of work the man they do?
No, but according to her story, she say him been before now just like something where he just like to do. That means he don't do one when they relationship, but not this.
This one will go now. It means say if he don't they do am like this, but she no just see am because they never marry. And you know, say when you never marry, you never know some kind of things where they happen.
Yes.
You know, say one person tell me one time I they date the guy. The guy tell me say women, you know, talk about yourself, we talk of women. Say women.
Always women.
Before you now marry them, then get one character, they go be like saints, be like angels, be like everything. You go just say small. You go say I go fit manage this one. So when they marry, boom, bam, they will just carry one big stone from under chair, put on top table. You call the one that say, where this one come off from?
Men don't come. Men they do the
this
same
way,
thing.
what I just talk now that the same thing for men.
Men they do the
You
same
go to
thing.
see the man say, the man has saints. No, the man no fit hot fly. He no fit kill mosquito. Oh yeah, now Mariam. The small slap where no be slap they slap. But I go to do you. Wait till they do you.
No, when they touch you, they use hand they touch you.
They touch you. When I come marry, now slap go slap the alcohol. You know they do am before. She no just notice am. She just feel say, na normal Facebook, Twitter. You no go to do am when we marry. You know they do am now. It affects you. They affect your Pikin. You can't affect her inside church. Hey, so you say kuku give am the phone make they press pastor they preach. No, where they take note of pastor talking?
So as at the time when you know they church, uncle.
He go the tweet now, Abi. Abi?
I don't know what they tweet.
Yes, but you know,
an addict.
Yes, but our real life issues be say we they try to like help out people to see what be the solution. Yes, now we don't point out the
number
mistake
one.
what she do. What be the solution for this young woman?
I not go say make she enter fight with her husband.
No.
I not go say make she seize the phone, because that now waiting most women they do, they'll just seize the phone.
No,
okay, we they go church, I go seize your phone. Okay, we they do this one, I go seize your phone. But the thing I go talk be saying, they say two coming together to meet at a point, they're very important. You don't sit them down, talk to them.
Exactly.
Number one, I just won't know. You don't sit your husband down, talk to them, say, come, baby. This thing, they affect us. It affects our relationship, and it affects our beautiful daughter. I understand, say, you don't take social media as part of you right now. I understand, say, maybe you get one business where they promote on social media, or you get blog where you say every time now you need to post. I understand. But please, can you balance it? Me wanna sit down and talk about them. You need to know, say, yeah, this one a problem. And my wife and child, it affect them. First of all, before one need to go ahead. I feel say the only way one have to go ahead now when he even identify and say yes, this thing don't cause wahala. Then if he can tell you say, baby, you can help me when we're going to church, take my phone, or when I dey inside the room with you, take my phone. You know, or say so, put them off. If they get some mail where you know say yeah, this thing a wahala for our house. Yeah. Okay, so two of us hold our hands together. We agree. Two of us hold our hands together. Let's look for ways to do it. You understand? Do it together. Or you go just decide say, I don't want to use any phone where you get
discipline itself.
Where you get camera or where you get social media platform. I want phone where just the normal, all those normal phones. So the bottom line we say, una need to sit down and talk. You need to tell them, say, come, it's affecting me and it's affecting our baby.
We just hit the nail on top head. Boom.
Yes, like you talk, say, me she talk, but in a case where the man no even get time for you to fit talk to Ram. You know, say, you go got to try. You go got to try. Yes.
Try.
Yes. You go got to try. Because like, what did she talk? For peace to reign now, she don't decide to give the daughter the attention when him know the feel. And you know the disconnect. The person they actually just be like picture. But you know they're useful. So why not even go far? Just leave us for us. Go, in short, go. May you go do these things. Wow. I understand if I were to talk, say, maybe you don't they do and she know identify. Now mistake what they do, say, oh, it go change.
Yeah.
When we marry,
over expectations.
You they expect. That's why they always talk, say, if you go into any relationship with
expectations.
No expect anything. Just let it flow. If na rain one for make it flow, wash away the zinc before the better water will start to flow. Now so it go be. But if you think say you go move person from A to Z, my sister, you are sitting in a long chair with this kind of country. And if the guy na blogger, hello, the two most top bloggers who we know for Nigeria, they still get family time. And if you feel say the thing they take more of your time, assign the job to another person to handle.
Employ people.
Yes, so give them to other people, maybe they handle so that you go at least get time for family. Understand? Say if the job they very small, if the business they grow, that time now you be the employee, now you be the HR,
and she needs to understand.
Then you need to, but it must carry her along for her to understand. Yes. Say, oh, see what's in this thing they actually bring. Because if you don't carry the person along, you're gonna feel like she feel neglected. Say he abandoned she and even they inside the same house.
Because wait, as you just talk, I just remember so. Let me say I remember. I just looking like this. If he be say the man himself, no say in they do what in they do.
Yes, that's why.
That is why when we talk, say make them sit down
talk together.
Now communication. The guy, if you don't forget, say we don't they overdo him. But yeah, I should talk. Maybe truly, you know, they do him too much before. But something come up, you need to do him more often. And the woman, she just they say and she never feel call and say, ah, my dear, see waiting there. Like,
it depends on how she don't tell. Not say some women go tell you say I don't tell them. And they're not going to understand. Say it depends on how you take it. How you tell them? Maybe they do as
you don't start to do your internet thing. Now, so you go to rap with the talk. You don't answer. They do them. You hear they do them. Those your people where you think say they important. The guy go just say,
thank you. You go just say,
say it again. You don't go answer.
You don't mama precious. Take them easy. Mama precious.
So, but you need to like sit down one on one. Over. You sure you fit tell and say, "Mo go out." For that outing, you decide to pay the bills. Not be him they pay now. You go pay the bills.
I just think of something. Just do some. Maybe now my husband now can't be like person where they very where they. Maybe now person. I could just try look for a way to cajole him. Look for a way to just make him just
turn him up
and say.
I see the tweet you wear bumper shorts.
I said, darling. Please, can you do me a favor? After you don't rub your head and everything, make your king. Can you forget your phone for today? And then go like, are you serious? Okay,
no, you know, sir, for today too long.
No. And now let's just go out. Just forget the phone. I don't want to go out. Look, now do some kind of romantic things. Then you'll call settle that hotel and say, Do you know that it's affecting us?
Yeah.
We
don't longer.
You know, we ladies,
you know, person that be say, oh, you be men, una sabi press man button. Say, Pikin when I even put 5-year-old girl don't sabi to press man button. I say, really? Say, I blew already. Then she go, Daddy, I want to buy biscuits.
See,
so can you imagine if
the only thing when you bring a man's
ego
ego down there, now for you to just
bring out that soft spot.
make the man not say,
realize.
Naim dey your head. And just make him not say, come, now you be my Lord
no
and Master.
worry
As in,
but Titi for blog go tell you say no.
Never.
Any woman will allow man think say Naim be worry, she be moo.
No, it depends on you. I know of one woman where you be say she be like Titi. As in, me who born the man, me make her my king for waiting now. I go tell her say come, give me that money for waiting.
Lie.
My sister go their house today. They are living in pain.
Yeah.
Because the woman now want form man and the man want be man. Women need to understand. Say God don't put you in the position of a woman. You don't take the place of the man.
And you know if you replace the bone with your body.
You cannot. You understand? You cannot. He's the head.
They see they fight for equality.
No.
We dey fight for equality, not to take their place.
No. Some people don't understand the equality and how they talk. The one fight say we must stay equal. If the man must do this one, me too, I must do this one. You go there the same. If I work for you, the man go work for you. If I dey throw dustbin, you go dey wash plates. Now the equality be that.
But is it bad? Is it bad if the man if you throw dirty, you go dey wash plate. If you dey cut tomatoes, you go dey cut onions. Is it bad?
I like those kind of
equality.
I don't say.
I like them because
you want this and you talk to I don't now.
I will just relax in the office. I just tell her, sweetie, bring some plantain today. What do you think? You'll be like, okay.
So maybe cook her down.
Now. No, you go say, okay, if I reach house on time, I go try start, and when you come, you finish.
Them. That one day okay now.
You know? No, be say, okay. Make sure say you cook the boots, make it soft though.
You see the way you talk am. You see the way you talk am. You talk am with respect. You give the man the respect. Some women don't give am respect.
You don't understand. Say men of nowadays don't sabi cook.
No. Maybe they're the ones where I know.
Now just few. A lot of them
all the ones where I know. I never see the one when they sabi cook. Even I surprised one day. My mind be say, "Hey, I go this one house now to start to cook." I know like.
But I know they do
that house.
Pot full.
Now the man cook am
before.
I don't see now.
You chop leaf plates.
No, I try at least. The fact say you don't cook the food. I did nice to go wash the plate. So what I go just tell this woman be say,
yes, my
dear lady, no abandon this man. No make that mistake. Say you won't give all the attention to your pikin. Can't forget say the man say did they. As they give that pikin attention, give that man attention too. For even the fact say still carry him, papa they press they go. Give her that attention. Me realize it be like say something they wrong. The day you go to you say when give her too much attention, you go say it be like say this your attention don't they too much.
You can't realize
say they do something.
So just try different strategies, spice them up like we talk. Make you try, still make them day part of the family. Not just throw and say, now you and the daughter man be the family. You not just in name or in the picture for the house. Just try do them. All right, now there we take stuff for the real life issue today on top of this first story because we go sumptuous the rest story.
Wait till they hot.
I beg.
Now, what people need to understand, say if you know say you there out there where they are addicted to phone and it affect your relationship, tell us how you take handle them. Yes. Tell us how you take on because if it actually help this woman, just enter Twitter at Wazobia.
Yeah. Straight up.
Sorry.
All right.
Your producer say love you.
Producer, stop it. What is that? Yes, you're making weak off.
Okay. I love you too, my producer. I love you pieces. Yeah. Now, on top waiting they hot, and our first story, this one are still real life issues because they affect women too.
Okay.
Now, Charlie boy and I come aside, they ask this question.
Uncle Charlie.
Yes,
Brother Charlie.
And the title of this thing we write, so we say, must a woman be Mrs. before she dey respected? Now we in talk. Now in talk plenty things, and I go actually read all the things we talk. He say something actually dey wrong for this our culture where we need to change. Now we Charlie boy actually talk. He say why he be say we know they are called the same respect we they give married woman as the one we they give single woman. He say it even appears to me that today's women They know they view their self as complete unless they don't marry. He say, I dey see say most women that they clearly much in need of marriage than men. Oh, beautiful. He say, I've always been confused about why women go put so much emphasis on top of getting married above their ambition and also becoming independent. He say, I beg ye, make una not get me wrong, go. Marriage na confirmed thing. He say, I don't marry, so I know it's not a confirmed thing.
Don't marry for over how many years? We get grown-up children.
And they are still together.
Together and wife.
He say, but the question where they ask be say, must a woman marry before society start to respect her? Now, ladies, make we actually answer Charlie boy question. Women, we supposed marry before society start to respect us?
Well, for me, I would say that it depends on how you take care of yourself, first of all. If people were there around you, they're very educated, and maybe you don't get the opportunity to take go school, for example. All these special institutions will go help you, all those small ones, will go just bring you up so that when they talk, you understand what they talk. Your dressing, your sense of reasoning, at least make it still meet average of waiting those people. That's people where they around you. But once your IQ, they're very local, you don't meet up with those people. They don't feel respect, even when you marry. So marriage no be the key, no be the na IQ, na your mentality, na who you be as a person. To me, naim be respect. No be respect, they say ma meaning waiting.
Ma, you know,
could be man stupid.
Ma, you know say you dey crazy.
Yeah, you see?
I don't like that.
You understand? If
I don't like being called ma.
I just they talk you got people if you know answer them ma, they land you slap.
I know.
They will correct your memory card for not answering ma. You understand? So you know really hard. And again, you go see some married girls where they fun to be with before, but because they don't come married, they can't lock up you. They look for respect. They talk to you. Go say no, please, I beg.
I'm married.
I'm married.
Hello.
How are you? Say you wear the small handcuff because a handcuff. That's what they call it. So you wear handcuff for hand. No mean say yes, but you get the way where you go take package yourself. You get the kind environment where they no go meet you. For example, you just marry. You still they live in the sense of, oh, I still stay single, even though I get one person where you don't legalize with. Then you can't decide to live for club. Your life na club. For example, every club where they go, you dress indecent like the girls where they streets. Because now the oldest business, so they know if you stop them forever. You can't dress. Everybody will see you now. They're not going to say you don't marry. Who want look your ring? They say ring for markets. Everybody if you wear and go sit down there. So they will still identify you with those people. So now packaging and your IQ. Nine to me be respect, no be till you marry. You know?
And that marriage thing, no just truly, Charlie boy just talk him as he's supposed to be.
Uncle
because
Charlie.
Uncle Charlie, anyone, you don't talk him supposed to be because if you look at truly, not be married, they really gain the respect.
But
you know, say at the age of you don't talk this to somebody, they talk at one time and say before you enter university, since some children don't already marry before they enter. Okay, so we want them now say woman we just made them reach 30, we never marry. Go come the yes, respect is reciprocal, yes. But women, we don't reach 30, we don't get a career, we don't compose ourselves, do everything. Because a 13-year-old is married and does not have this thing yet, does not have IQ. So that 30-year-old do not be respecting the girl and say because she's married, well done, ma. Does it make any sense? It don't make sense where they come from. So where I just understand, be say, you don't need marriage today, like to the society respect you. If you carry yourself as we don't talk, carry yourself well. Know yourself. No, even the man who won't marry you finally go no say in they marry something. Yeah. In they marry package. In they marry person. You know just they marry brain or beauty. In they marry brain. In they marry beauty. In they marry person. Everything set complete package. I mean they marry. Yeah. So if you say respect, you must be married. So now the ring they respect. I'm waiting exactly the respect.
Or the rice and beans
where you chop for my wedding day. Or the cake where I manage the chinko cake where I cut give you for my wedding day. Now you won't come use respect me. No. Because I know what I be. Now you're supposed to respect. Marriage just na normal formality.
You know what? I actually appreciate the fact saying most ladies now, they very, very informed to know say marriage and married. Not two different things.
Yes.
Say you do the ceremony and you enter inside the house, not actually two different things. Now, talking about what Charlie will actually talk about, yes, yes, our culture, we need to change them because they see women will never marry as less respected. Yes. Yes. Whether say you don't be 40, you, if woman, let's say 40 years old they and 28 years old they with us now. People outside out there with the watchers go relate more with the 28 we don't marry than the 40.
They expect me that 40
don't
they give
enter our
society
too
it has
much.
gotten deep into the society. That time we teach Charlie Boy try talk about. We need to change that mentality. Say now only when you don't marry now you go gain respect. Now all my sisters don't marry, even my younger sister. And I don't go somewhere with my younger sister one time, and we just they talk about marriage and everything. Now one woman, one of my aunties, old woman say, we're not going to understand because you're not married.
Chai! Chai!
We pay you,
just laugh over her.
What are you saying? You overpay me. But I can't tell her, I can't tell her, say, Auntie, I don't need to be married for me to know what's in the happen for inside the house.
Married.
Even me as I did yesterday, I did more informed that people will don't actually marry. And another thing again that they do be say, if you never born Pikin.
Oh, that one I was
passed. So don't worry, when you get
when you have a child, you know what I'm talking about. I see, you know some people, some people they never born for their life, but now there's a bit take care of Pikin pass.
Yes, I know somebody
woman
like
go
that.
born, she don't even know whether now so she's supposed to bath am, I been so she's supposed to carry him. She don't know.
That's why
I take care of all my niece and nephew. I take care of them, so I actually understand how you actually be. And secondly, parents, not the help matter. Now let's say society now far people where they far from.
Now when you invite them,
now let's talk about our immediate people where they surrounded by us. Parents, siblings, not the help matter. If you don't date 30, you never marry. When you go marry now, when will you live here? You do a marry. You live here. You do that kind of thing.
We then they say I'm as
my younger sister, sorry to cut you. When I turned 30, she actually asked me that question.
When you go marry?
From nowhere. I don't answer her that day. Like a week after, now I tell her, now say, if you get person wait for you, actually, no wait for me.
Yeah.
I will be glad to help you organize your wedding. And you marry, go. So that me, I'll take all the time I want. So I'll take the waiter. Because if they didn't buy the man for market, because of society, I don't go
buy her now, pay.
Draw the man. I tell my
mama, you mold the type of guy you want.
What mom say they disturb me, say, when will you marry? I say, mommy, mommy, my darling, mommy. The only way you feel helping mommy, that market where they pick the men for. Mommy, I have the money.
When you pick for the rest,
I have the money.
I'll give you the money, go buy her for me.
I give it to you. But really, girls need to understand, say, like when Charlie Boy talk, he say, girls, they're more important, more concerned about marriage than men. That's now why divorce nowadays, you don't play.
I get friend when married after 6 months. Right now, she tell me, say, please help me decide.
Tired.
Make I leave or make I say, now say, sisterly, not with me, because I know they there when you they say, I do not back, I see that, I buy, I shall be, how much? 10,000 naira. No go let me collect costs. Decide your fate yourself. Now, I'll let you say, I do with your mouth for where people gather. So say, when I talk my own, nobody did there, so I go decide what I want. So if my cross come, I shall
carry your cross.
Carry your.
And lastly, like I think you be talking, they're all about packaging. If you allow the society weigh you down just because you never married, trust me, they go actually push you like this with their leg.
Opportunity.
They go push you. But if you package yourself well, when people they tell you, say, please go aside, you are not married, you go tell them, say, excuse me, I don't need to be married to know anything about marriage. Yes, do you need me to tell you the definition of marriage? Do you need me to educate you? Then when they go, no, say yes, never you.
Not be about the bride price.
I tell you. I tell you. Anyway, we're going to need to have a small breaky. You were there, enter Twitter. Tell us why you be saying now only when you don't be Mrs. Now in the world, the society, they respect you. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Our Facebook say they're there for you. But we they come back after this break.